Hello and welcome back to Ugosfx. This is a weekly recap on the trade I took this week. I'm doing this video recap based on the request that you guys met on me. You asked me some questions based on the previous video that I dropped. There are things that were difficult for you guys to understand. So I decided to launch this episode whereby every week I will analyze all the trade that I take. So pay attention because I'll giving you the trade idea and the entry positions. So this is good. And from now onwards, I'll be focusing on gold. I'll be trading gold from now to the end of the year because there are things I see on gold that amaze me. Okay, gold is not like it's not like other forex trading pairs that when you buy the thing will move a little bit in your direction after you start retracing back, manipulating, taking you out, and after moving to your direction. Gold, get your analysis right, get your entry right. In a sprinkle of eye, gold will give you 100 pips, 200 pips. So let's go. The first thing you do on your chart is to determine the direction of the trend. Where is the market trending? There are two ways you can determine that. One is by using market structure, which I have already shown you here. You can see this market structure. You can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. That means the price is bullish. If you see this type of market structure, you only be looking for buy opportunity. Secondly, there's another way you can determine your market structure by using daily chart. Go to your daily chart and open your daily chart. If you notice this type of price action whereby the previous day was taken out and closed, the candle, this green candle closed above the previous day high. Okay, that means the price is bullish. You can see this green candle now close above this red candle. It means that price is bullish. Another green candle form and close above this green candle. It means that price is bullish. So as a day trader, you can use this daily chart to determine the, the direction of your trading for the day. So these are two ways I normally use to determine my direction. But as a day trader, I'm using this particular daily chart to determine my direction. Why I now use this structure, the structural movement, to determine my entry on a lower time frame. So let's go to lower time frame. Let me show you the way I do it on a lower time frame. So on a lower time frame, I make use of 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Then in a rare cases, if I don't see what I'm looking for, I'll move to 30 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame. But 80 out of time, I use 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. So what do I look out for? Now, when price has given me a breakout of structure, like you see so, it created this high, it come back here, and boom, breakout of this structure, created this new high. What will I be looking for? I'm only looking for a buy. Now, there are confluences that I'm looking out for, okay? Number one is this. When this price is moving up to create this new high, this other block, okay, I'll watch out for the green candle that started moving up after this red candle, after this other block. If this green candle is bullish candle, if it's bullish candle, I will take a note of it. Now, when price is still moving up, along the way, there's another other block here that form here. So when this other block form, the next candle that form becomes bullish engulf candle. I'll take note of this. So when price will start retracing back from this zone, when price will start retracing back from this zone, start coming down like this, okay, I will start watching out for this zone, okay, because my entry pattern is always waiting for price to take out the liquidity at this other block. Once price take out the liquidity at other block and give me a bullish engulf candle because I'm looking for a buy. Once price take out the liquidity at this other block here, this zone, price coming down, come to this zone, take out liquidity at this zone and give me a bullish engulf candle, then that means my entry confirmation is okay. Now, next thing is, at what time of the day will I see this thing and I will decide to take this buy? Normally, I trade two sections of the day, London session and New York session. So I always try to look out for this in during the London key zone, okay, or during the New York key zone. So these are my confluences that whatsoever these things aligns, I will take a buy. Okay. But if this price come here and this green candle you see here, let me show you. This green candle that give me this confirmation and fail to give me this green candle and continue moving down like this and probably turn to a red candle, which is bearish candle. In this format now, I will not take this buy. Are you seeing it? That means this buy will not go. I will sit out and wait for price again. Okay. So if price continue falling down, if price continue falling down and come to this bottom, there's other block here, and price take out the liquidity below this other block, and I see this green candle like this format during London key zone or New York key zone, then I will take a buy here, and my stop loss is below here, and my first target is this high. So this is always how I take my buy on gold, and it been awesome. Okay, so let's go to the ray chart. Let me show you all these things. Let me show you all these things on the ray chart. The trade that I took this week, this is 15 minutes time frame. Now pay attention. Pay attention. I took this trade, okay, but I took this entry on 5 minutes time frame. I took this trade on the 8th of October, Wednesday, and I also took this trade on 9th of October, being Thursday, okay. And I told my community in my free telegram group that I'm in this trade. I didn't call it as a signal, but I told them that I'm in this trade, and I showed them my entry and everything. Okay. Now, if you look at this 15 minutes time frame, you will not see this scenario very well. So let's go down to 5 minutes time frame. Now, you notice that this price, this is this shaded portion is my London key zone section. This area now, this sky blue color is my London key zone section. This one is a share section, and this one, the pink color, is the New York section. So you notice that during the London session, price move up high. Price created this high. Okay, after creating this high, price tried to come down to take out this low, but it couldn't. It try again to come down to take out this low, but it couldn't. It try again to take out this low here, it couldn't. And finally, during the New York session, price come down from this zone and take out this low. After taking out this low, what do you notice? There is a green candle here. Let me zoom out. Let me zoom out so that you see this thing. Okay, I'm zooming out for you guys. I want you guys to take this seriously. So you notice that price now took out all the liquidity here. This is London low. Price take out all the liquidity at the London low. Okay, all the liquidity at the London low. Price took it out. And you notice that when this price was moving off from this London to create this London high, there is bullish engulf candle here. And notice what happened again. After taking out the London low, price created a bullish engulf candle here. What next are you waiting for? I took my buy and price match my take profit. Let me show you another place. That was on 9th. That night, let me use this arrow. When this price move up to create this side, by closing above this side to create this side, there is other block here. If I go to 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frame now, you see this thing as a one candle, one red candle. There's another block here. Okay, so price move up. This thing happened during Asia section. So price move up and came down. Then during London section, you can see how price took out the liquidity here and give bullish engulf candle here. Okay, and I took a buy. This is match my take profit. Let me show you another trade that I took yesterday, being Friday. All right. So see what happened here. When price was coming down yesterday, when price was coming down, I was looking at this. If you go to 15 times, you notice another block here. I was looking at this other block. Okay, price took it out. After taking it out, and give this a bullish engulf candle. Let me show you. Let me zoom out. Let me zoom in so that you see it. Look, after taking it out and give a bullish engulf candle, you see this green candle, there's a bullish engulf candle one here. I waited and it goes up and come down again and give another bullish engulf candle. I took a buy here. I took a buy here. That was yesterday. I took a buy here. Now price move in my direction over 100 pips. I took a buy here. This was my buy entry. Okay. Stop loss below. Stop loss below that candle. Stop loss below this candle. That was when I took a buy. And my first target was here, but overall target was up on a 4-hour time frame. That's where I have my overall target. Okay, overall target was somewhere up here. I took this buy. Price move in over 100 pips. Price move over 100 pips. I forgot to put break even here, and I left. When I came back, price has smashed my SL and take me out. So after taking me out, I was wondering why would price took me out. But overall, I know that everything is pointing towards buy. So I was waiting again, monitoring for price action to give me another entry for a buy. So that's why I marked this in S. I lost this trade. Okay. So on a 5 minutes time frame, I saw when this price, this green candle, came close to this liquidity here. If you look at this liquidity here, this other block, when price came close to this liquidity here and give a bullish engulf candle. Okay. This time I didn't enter this trade here. The reason is because I was waiting for price to take out this liquidity entirely on this 15 minutes time frame, but it couldn't take it out. So now look at 30 minutes time frame. If I will see anything that prompt me to take the trade, let's go to 30 minutes time frame. Didn't see anything clearly here, so I decided to go on a 1 hour time frame. So this is 1 hour time frame. So this is the candle that's close, immediately close. I took, you see this candle, this green candle now, this particular green candle, this 1 hour candle. Immediately this 1 hour candle close here. Remember, it has touched this other block, and again this red candle, this 1 hour candle has taken the liquidity below this red candle, okay, and close above this red candle, thereby giving me a bullish engulf candle. Immediately I took my buy around this zone, around 3,991 ounce. That was where I put my buy, and I put my stop loss below this zone. Okay, around this zone, this this green candle below it, and my target is around this zone, around 4,056 ounce. So currently I'm still holding this trade. This trade now currently I'm still holding it. So basically this is how I take my trades on gold. You go and backtest this strategy is highly efficient. Backtest it. And if you like me to be dropping my weekly forex trading, just subscribe and like this video. Kindly share it so that others will get to see this video. So if you know that I've not subscribed to my Telegram channel, once in a while I drop signals here. Subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the comment section or description of this video. See you guys in my next episode. Cheers.